Right, good morning, welcome back. Now today we're going to get back on the Yamaha XJR 1300. Now just to explain, the reason I hit the brakes on this project and stepped away from it for a minute was that I acquired a Triumph Rocket 3 in exchange for another bike. It didn't cost me any money, but it had a raft of jobs that needed doing. And I've been doing the basic stuff to get the bike happily on the road so I can ride it and enjoy it before the season changes. Now at the moment there's no road salt, it's still plus temperatures, if you know what I mean, and it's still dry. So I'm enjoying the Rocket, having loads of fun out riding it for now. And as soon as the season changes, they salt the roads, it starts getting wet and slippery and horrible, then I'll get the Rocket back in and we'll deal with all that rusty chrome and get the project on the Rocket finished. But for now, we've got the XJR and we can crack on and get on with the jobs. So how far had we got with this? What's the story so far? Well, to recap, here are the jobs I've already done. Swing arm bearings, rear suspension, rear wheel bearings, chainless sprockets, clutch slave cylinder, rear caliper rebuild, front calipers rebuild, clutch master cylinder and brake master cylinder, headstock bearings and a fork oil change. And that's the story so far. So next on the list is to change the bearings in the front wheel, then I can put the wheel in, put the calipers on, put the front mudguard in, and I've got a rolling bike again. Let's go. Right, there we are, all done. Now there is specialist equipment for changing wheel bearings. You can invest in things like a blind bearing puller and a hydraulic press if you like, if you're going to do it all the time like I do, which is why I have. But if you haven't, and you're going to change wheel bearings maybe once every 5 years on your bike, there's no point in investing in all that. And as you saw today, you can change a set of wheel bearings with basic hand tools. Half a dozen bits and pieces, hammer, drift, pair of pliers, all that sort of stuff. That's all you actually need to do the job, and a little bit of patience. Now, to offset the inevitable question, why haven't you talked anything up? Well, I think if you're following the project, you might have already caught the fact that I've said, I've got to change the tyres yet. Both of them are completely knackered, and I'm going to wait till the end of the project and see what's left in the budget if I can replace the brake hoses with some nice braided hoses. I really want to, but I don't also at the same time want to break the budget. I want to stick within a budget for this bike, and a set of braided brake hoses is a fair investment. So I'm just going to wait until the time comes when we've done all of the other important work, and then I'll see if there's money left to replace the brake lines. Anyway, that's it for now. The wheel's in. That's that part of it done. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe. I'll see you next time.